Real pleasure to welcome Samantha Blaukamp to. We've had a fly here all this morning. He decided to land on my nose just as I'm introducing you. Samantha Blaukamp is here, Executive Director of Meals on Wheels, along with the head chef at Meals on Wheels, Neil Enright. Neil and Samantha, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you both for being here.
Wonderful to have you.
Thanks for having us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Definitely. When I hear of Meals on Wheels, it reminds me of Christmas and Thanksgiving. But you guys are a 365-day-a-year organization, right?
Actually, we're Monday through Friday.
Well, Monday through Friday.
Monday through Friday. We deliver about 503 meals a day. We're a really unique organization, though, because we've been founded in Albuquerque by a group of 5 women sitting around a kitchen table discussing the issue of hunger. Even back in the early 70s, it was a terrible issue in Albuquerque, and how they could provide a home-delivered meal and a visit from a volunteer every day. So they worked very hard for 12 full months to get this organization up and running.
Wow.
And in 1972, in January, we opened our doors and we served 20 clients.
Wow.
And that first year we cooked and delivered 1,200 meals, and last year we cooked and delivered 116,000 meals.
Wow.
So, and it's really an
What a legacy.
amazing
That is
organization. It
amazing.
is. And you know, we still have 2 of those women volunteering with us today.
Oh.
2 of our founders.
There's a great story
Yeah,
right there.
They're amazing. And we're very unique because we prepare 7 different types of diets each day, which you probably want Neil to touch on more of that. But so if a person is suffering with renal disease or kidney issues or dialysis or diabetes or swallowing or teeth issues, you know, any of that kind of thing, we design specialized diets for those types of people. And we're the only one in New Mexico that does that. So it's pretty unique, pretty great organization.
Wow.
How many volunteers does it take to get that many meals out the door and delivered?
Oh my gosh. Well, you know, we have a very small paid staff. Most everyone is part-time. And so we're very blessed to have 400 volunteers.
Wow.
We have over 35 routes in the city. So every day we have about 85 to 95 drivers using their own cars, their own gas, their own time to take those meals out to those homes. And, you know, I think besides the wonderful food, and we all eat the food, and I can tell you it is really good food. I mean, Neil is an amazing chef. But the volunteers, you know, they visit with the clients and they spend time with them and they hear their stories. And our recent client survey that was just completed, 47% of those people that we deliver to, our volunteer is the only person they see every day.
So that's as important as the food is,
It really
in a
is.
sense.
It really is, yeah.
And oftentimes this may be the only nutritious meal they get in the day. Am I right, Neil?
Right, and what we try to focus on our meals is to give them that full balanced meal. You know, we give them a proper portioning based on the food guidelines that the FDA put out. And so they're going to get everything from that slice of bread that they want to slop up that gravy with, to the protein and starches that they need to keep their body running functioning correctly. So we pride ourselves in saying our meal is the most nutritionally sound thing they'll eat all day. So we want to give it to them and have it be the best meal that they can have. And
67% of those people we serve tell us that meal is their only main source of nutrition.
Right, their primary
every day.
meal. Yeah, they may have toast and coffee in the morning, and then, you know, who knows what they're having at night. But our meal is their main focus for that day, which is good to know. It's a great motivating factor for all our employees.
Now, how do people receive Meals on Wheels? Is it kind of income-based, or because they just don't have any way to go get food? How does that work?
Well, our program is, actually, there is no federal or state funding involved with our program at all.
Oh.
So we have no age restrictions or dietary restrictions as far as when you're in the government funding group, you can only serve 1 meal a day. It has to be heart healthy, low sodium. That's why our board many years ago chose to go a different direction, because we wanted to help people of every age. Today our youngest client is 23. Our oldest client is 103. We wanted to have a variety of diets. So really, you can either pay for your meals. It's a flat fee. It's very reasonable, I mean, when you think of what a hamburger and a fries and a Coke costs
Yeah.
at a fast food joint.
Sure.
Ours are cheaper than that, and
Oh,
they're
okay.
delicious and well balanced. Or we have a free meal program for those people living in poverty, $900 a month or less, and are required to have a special diet because they're ill. We're the only program that can provide that to them. And unfortunately, senior hunger is the fastest growing group of hungry in our nation. You know, we call them the hidden hungry because, you know, feeding children is so important.
Right.
But people don't, I mean,
Right.
if you're 75 and you make less than $300 a month, which some of our clients do, it's very difficult to pay for your medications, your utilities, and try to get a good balanced meal. And so that's why they're called the hidden hungry. They're older, and so it's kind of like big deal. But
Yeah.
it is a big deal.
Nobody
it's a
realizes
real big deal.
it's a big
I mean, you can
deal,
do
yeah.
without a cell phone, but you can't really do without food.
Yeah.
So for our low-income clients, they're free. They have to meet the certain qualifications, but unfortunately, that program's only paid for through donations
Okay.
and fundraisers and grants, and that's why Larry let us come too to talk about our upcoming
Big fundraiser.
You gotta, we're gonna put the chef to work on that day, I think. This is your egg extravaganza.
Egg extravaganza.
All right, it's on the 20th, right?
It's
And-
July 20th
All
from
right.
8 to 11:30. It's our 12th annual Big Breakfast. It's the biggest fundraiser we have each year. It's really fun. It's called Under the Big Top this year.
Okay.
And because we're located at Northside Presbyterian, which is at 5901 Harper Drive. And I hope you don't mind, but I just have to praise Presbyterian Healthcare because they rent us our kitchen, our office, our phone, and our postage for $1 a year.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, we couldn't do it without it. We have
Yeah.
a full state-of-the-art kitchen that we just couldn't do it without that. You know, so we don't have really much overhead.
What a deal.
Which is really great. So the breakfast is huge. We have guest chefs coming. We have a big omelet. We have a tent that's just the omelet, pancake, and waffle
man.
tent that Neil will be supervising all these guest
And
chefs.
you'll be cooking all of this.
Well, I hope not to cook too much. But we'll have our hands in there somehow, you know, quality control and make sure everything looks good and tastes good. So,
Yeah.
yeah absolutely.
And not only that, we have a huge breakfast buffet, and the tickets are only $12.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And the
That's
money
very
goes to Meals on
reasonable.
Wheels.
And it
That's-
goes right to our low-income
And it's
program.
gonna be right at the site?
Right at the site.
Yeah.
Right at 5901 Harper. Huge tent.
Yeah.
We have a big kid zone tent, and we have
Uh-huh.
bouncy house, and we have jugglers and magicians, and
Doing-
face painting.
Doing some giveaways that day too for the people that come.
Wonderful.
Yeah, we have a huge auction, beautiful auction items. So it's a really fun day. You know, it's a great way to start your Saturday. Put on a pair of shorts and your sneakers, and
Come on
before you
over.
do your errands on a Saturday,
Yeah,
come
it's a
on
Saturday.
Have a
There's
big old
no
breakfast.
in.
reason
It's all
not
you can eat
to.
too for $12.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
can't beat
Can you
that.
go wrong?
a
Do you
great
need to get tickets in advance or just show up?
You can both. They're $12 in advance.
Uh-huh.
They're $6 for children 4 through 11. Children under 4 are free,
Mm-hmm.
and then they're $15 for adults at the door the day of
Okay.
the event. You can go onto our website mow-nm.org and purchase your tickets online. We're doing everything very modern now. We're really moving ahead here.
To the
Getting digital.
technology
Yeah.
age.
Good
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah,
Good for you.
so all the tickets are online.
A lot of people don't know, and we'll reveal that now, that you guys actually have a catering business that supports Meals on Wheels, and they're very good at what they
you.
do.
We
Thank
do.
you.
Thank you for mentioning that.
Yeah, you do an excellent job catering. So if somebody wants
Oh.
to have catering done, like maybe at the Morning Brew or something,
Yeah.
or any
We'll
function,
make sure we
corporate
get you
or
some
whatever.
breakfast burritos down here.
Yeah.
Really
Go.
quick.
You guys do that. I remember last holiday, I got a pie from you guys. It was
Yeah.
fantastic. You just do
Yeah.
holiday pies and
We do
everything.
holiday pies and cookies. Our catering is really wonderful. You know, nonprofits are having to look at their core mission and how they can expand their funding because it's getting so hard. Donations are, of course, down because of the economy, and funders are getting fewer and far between. And so we looked at our kitchen, we looked at the talent that we have on staff, and we said, let's cater. So we do everything from breakfast burritos for a business morning meeting to huge weddings.
Wow.
And
We actually just got done doing a private function for 6 ladies in their home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did a
So that's
gourmet-
another
gourmet meal.
extension of what you do.
Yeah,
You guys
really
are busy down
awesome.
there.
We are busy, and all of that money last year we were able to earn enough to roll $13,000 back into our low income program as a
Oh,
result
that's
of the
great.
proceeds from the catering. So.
About 30 seconds left. The date on the egg extravaganza is 20th.
July 20th, yeah,
All right.
a week from this Saturday, 8 to 11:30. Come on down, it's going to be so much fun.